Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about marketing. What is marketing and why it is basically used by businesses. So let's start marketing. What is marketing? Marketing is basically communicating the value of your product, service, or brand to customers for the purpose of promoting or selling that product, service, or brand. Means basically in marketing, you are going to communicate the value of your product which you are selling or service or brand to the customers. Why? For the purpose of promoting or selling that product. Okay, it is known as marketing. Now we have budget types of marketing: digital marketing, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, MLM, very famous, global marketing as well. So I will start with digital marketing. Digital marketing is a type of marketing in which a business uses purely electronic means to advertise their products and services. This type of marketing can be implemented through televisions, the internet, and electronic boards. Basically, in digital marketing, an organization and startup or a business is going to promote his business in purely electronic means, electronic form. Okay. If you want to learn about digital marketing, I have a different series on YouTube named Digital Marketing, where I've discussed about Facebook ads, SEO, SEM, and all. So you can basically refer that series, entire series, to learn in deep about digital marketing. Then we have internet marketing. Basically, the difference between internet marketing and digital marketing is that internet marketing uses electronic means to advertise to the public. The difference between two is strictly internet driven. Internet marketing means totally based on internet, while digital marketing can be even done on televisions. Okay, it's a very important difference. Okay, that you must know difference between digital marketing and internet marketing. Then we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing in which online advertisers and merchants, businesses, startups share revenue with the online salesperson or website owners through a compensation model that is based on certain performance measures such as PPC, CPC, many are there. I have a different series on YouTube named as affiliate marketing. To learn more deep about affiliate marketing, you can refer to that series. It's very interesting. You will get to know a lot about it. But for the time being, basically organizations, despite of investing money in advertisement, they basically hire online salesperson. And if this salesman like us, and which are known as affiliate marketers, if we are going to invest money, if we are going to increase their sale, we are going to get some sort of commission. It is known as affiliate marketing. There are affiliate programs of Flipkart, Amazon, and different varieties of websites as well. You can check in my entire video series. I've discussed a lot about affiliate marketing. Then we have something known as multi-level marketing. It's a marketing strategy in which the sales force is compensated not only for the sales they generate, but also for the sales of the other sales per people that they recruit. This recruited sales force is referred to as the participants downline and can provide multiple levels of compensation. Basically, in this strategy, sales force is compensated not only for the sales they are bringing, but also for the sales of other salesperson that they recruit. They means, suppose there is a salesperson, chief salesperson, he is going to recruit some salesperson known as lower level one. If that lower level salesperson is also increasing the sales of the organization, the main salesperson who has recruited that lower level salesperson, he is also going to get some sort of commission or some sort of money. It is known as multi-level marketing. Then we have your global marketing. Global marketing is a form of marketing in which various international businesses allies from relationships and develop networks on a global scale. On a big scale, they're going to do the marketing of various goods and services. Okay, it is known as global marketing. Then we have something other types of marketing are also there. Basically, you can see alliance marketing, ambush, call to action, close range. A lot of marketing options are also there. Then we have importance of marketing, getting word out, higher sales, company reputation increases, healthy competition. If you are engaged in marketing, people will basically see that yes, this company's advertisement on television, they develop a feeling of legitimacy towards that particular organization or towards a particular company. So it's very important for the businesses. So importance are there. Then what is meaning of getting word out? For a business to succeed, a products or service it provides must its services, a product or services must be known to its potential buyers. Without marketing, your potential customers may never be aware of your business offerings which you are giving. So it is getting word out. Then we have higher sales. Sales will definitely increase if you're doing marketing, because as people will get to know what you are selling, they will buy from you. So it's higher sales. Then company reputation, which I already told. Then healthy competition. Without competition, well-known companies would continue to sell, while lesser-known companies or new companies would stand little chance of ever becoming successful. So there is a healthy competition which gets developed between the new organizations and the old ones. So there is a scope for healthy competition as well. Then we have conclusion, basically a marketing program that gives your company the best chance is a healthy mix of different forms of marketing such as website development, public relations, print and broadcast advertisement, designs and print for all print materials. Okay, basically marketing program must gives your company the best chance is a healthy mix of different forms of marketing. Okay, website development, public relations means your marketing plan should inculcate different sort of marketing strategies so that you can capture a big share in the market. That's all about this video. I hope that you have liked it. Thank you.